Hello and welcome to a new video. This is me and my cousin, and today we're going to do kids react to Red Dot. If you never heard of it, it's something really makes you. This is your thing. So basically, there's me, my cousin, and of course Antonio. And I got my PlayStation, and I'm gonna put it in my PlayStation. So I'm gonna go to YouTube. Go to YouTube. I'm gonna start. Trust me. If my face go big, you have to watch this. If you want to watch it, just write in YouTube Red Dot. Wait for, and at the end something will appear. Red Dot. So we're really scared.
No reaction to Red Dot. Sorry.
Kids react to Red Dot. So yeah. Where's Red Dot? Oh, come on.
No, Bendy boys, you tell him.
Bendy boys, Bendy, bent react to a Red Dot.
No.
But
write it down, mate. Soon.
Yeah, but we'll do it easy, like Bendy boys. That's all.
Just write Bendy
boys react to,
and then you might find it. Then there's gonna be like the rest.
Okay, guys. We are scared.
I'm gonna bite my fingers off.
We are scared. You don't think we can look the whole video? I might look. I might not look.
Do it that one, the second one.
No, we can't. Cause that's people looking at it. We have to do it ourselves.
Okay. Don't you say.
No, look at him.
He's gonna get scared and start crying.
We're gonna get scared and start crying. I can't look at it. I might not look. I'm not gonna look.
Just do it.
Okay, we're gonna do it.
Ei, psst! Não fiquem a fazer barulho, Dio e Lucas, pá! O que é que os outros a dizer, Pedrinho?
Dio?
What are you guys doing?
Huh? Papi?
What are you both doing? Stop acting stupid, yeah? Because if you're going home, I'm telling you that